Outstanding design defines the 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.